Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites except for that we both love Dolly and we both love bling.
So today we're showing you my birthday presents from Jen. She got these little gift sets from Dolly. Comes with her perfume, a lipstick, and a gloss. You got the colors Heaven's Kiss lipstick in the color Rosebud, I think.
Yes.
And your gloss is Rose Petal. And mine is Jolene Red.
Jolene!
And my gloss is Gold Dust.
Do we have the same sniffer?
No, mine is Smoky Mountain and yours is Scent from Above.
Oh boy, this is where it's gonna get real spicy.
So, which do you want to start with, smell or gloss?
Yeah, this is your birthday gift.
We're gonna start smelling this perfume.
I knew you would.
So this is really cute. It's got her signature and a little butterfly on it. Yours looks the same?
Yes. It's a little pinker.
The liquid is a little different
Liquid
color.
is, yes.
Mine is Smoky Mountain.
Ooh.
It smells like Dolly Parton.
This is exactly what I feel like Dolly would smell like.
Yeah.
It is. It smells classy. It smells elegant.
It's a little bit fun and
musky.
floral, but a little bit musky.
Oh gosh, that smells really
I
good.
like that a lot.
I do too. I didn't think I would because of the name of it. I didn't think I'd like it at all.
Smoky Mountain, I expected a little bit warmer.
I did too. Fruity, florally, fun.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that smells.
Yours is Scent from Above.
Uh-oh. Oops.
They're a little alcohol forward, so you might want to... That's spicy. You want to trade? Because this is generally more my style. This is not what I would picture Dolly smelling like.
No, this is Dolly's grandmother.
I don't think it's Grandma.
You don't?
I think it's your...
Oh, yuck.
It's Dolly's sister that smokes too much.
Yeah, it's
She's
Delia.
like this the whole
with
time.
her vagina slim.
Yeah.
Yeah, she drives the old Corvette.
Yes.
Oh,
And she puts the
the top,
scarf in her hair with the top down.
with the top
and
down.
her Virginia Slim while she's driving.
Thick white glasses.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that smells different.
You don't like it?
Don't like that one. Nope.
I do, but I like a spicier scent.
You do.
So,
Yeah.
no shock there.
Okay.
All right.
So these are so pretty.
Look at this component. It's got her signature with the butterfly, but it's completely bejeweled 100 ways around. And this is how they open.
Oh my goodness.
So I got Jolene Red.
What did I get? Rosebud?
Rosebud?
Rosebud.
There is a butterfly on the bullet.
Sure as. Little Dolly. Oh my goodness.
So Jen picked these colors for us. She picked things based on the lip color.
So I bought her one and I bought me one and wrapped it up in her box. That's the way it's gotta be.
Oh, this is...
Okay. Oh, this is very creamy.
Yes.
This is not gonna be a long stay, Shannon.
It's fine.
So this is gonna need a brown lip liner and that one's gonna need a brown lip liner.
This is going to use a red lip liner. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Who are you? Who you think I own a brown lip liner?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Do you want to borrow one?
No.
Okay. So yeah, this is going to be really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This component is stunning.
It's everything.
And then there's the gloss. And mine was called Gold Dust, which properly named.
Oh, for sure.
It's got her signature in the butterfly. The whole top of it is bedazzled. I would expect nothing less from Dolly. What's yours called?
This one is Rose Petal.
Okay.
And this one is just a sheer pinky, creamy pink moment.
Oh, that's liquor.
Dolly likes to drink?
Dolly likes to drink.
Dolly!
Does yours smell like liquor? Smell mine. Tell me that it doesn't smell like liquor.
I smell plastic.
I don't smell plastic.
Not gonna lie, this is not a very attractive smell.
Let me smell yours. Yeah.
It's not a very pleasant smell at all. Okay, but it's very sheer.
Yeah, mine's gonna give just a little hint of gold shimmer.
I don't think you're gonna get anything from mine.
Except for a little bit of gloss.
Yeah. So I could probably do without this, but I'm going to wear it.
We're going to try them.
We're going to try them. So first of all, let's talk about Dolly. Can we talk about Dolly for a second?
She's 3,000 years old.
And fabulous.
And still fabulous.
She is incredibly generous.
And yes.
Incredibly generous. She's a huge donator of underprivileged minority groups. They have that Dolly book club for children. She's incredible.
And she doesn't, you can't say she doesn't advertise it because I've seen commercials for the book club and whatnot, but she's not like flaunting herself about it.
Yeah.
Like, she just does these things and she says, this is what I do. And it's not all like, look at me, I give my money away. It's like,
we don't deserve Dolly.
I take care of people.
We do not deserve her. She's so fabulous.
I really like this color of lip.
Me too. So next month, we're starting our challenge new. So I'm going to use mine.
January is
January.
We had already discussed January of next year. January of next year is things that are new to us.
Yeah. If you've been doing our monthly makeup challenge with us, we've got a theme, a topic every month. And January is things that we have that we're excited about that are new.
That we haven't really
used. Yeah.
Some of the things we've gotten probably this year from Ipsies and Trend Moods and Allures and things, and have kind of set to the side because they didn't really fit the theme of the month we were doing.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
Well, I think we'll discuss next year a little more in our December wrap up. So keep an eye for that, and we'll probably post on the Facebook a list of all of the months for next year.
Maybe some of the months we could have some help from our viewers, get some ideas from you guys what you want to do.
If you followed our challenge this month or this year, we kind of went with themes that matched the months. July was patriotic. September was back to school. Obviously, October was spooky things. June is Jen's birthday, so she chose things we were doing in June. March was green.
Yeah.
For St. Patrick's Day. So if you have any fun ideas for themes for months for next year, make sure you comment that on this video, and we'll keep an eye so that we can gather the list and compile it and get back to you with it.
Absolutely. That'll be fun to have everybody's input on this.
So make sure you leave that in any ideas you have in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.